Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 KX65. This is the kiddie MXer 2-stroker. Excellent condition. Getting a brand new tire on this beautiful KX65. Come by, make your mini motocrosser dreams come true for just $23.99. This bike is just being checked out in the service department. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. There it is. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.